All right, guys, look at this. Enjoying a beautiful day in Texas. A Blackstone 20-ounce grill going. Got myself a nice 1.5 pound piece of salmon that I did not catch, courtesy of our local grocery store down here at HEB. All right, I seared a top of my salmon fillet for about 5 minutes, and I used two gringos chupacabra rub. Of course, I put a little garlic rub on it too. I love this stuff. It's a local place here in Texas. All right, and let me wrap it up and cover it up and let it cook. All right, guys, look at how that salmon came out. Yes, my wife likes it a little more done than I do, but happy wife, happy life. Hey, my Blackstone grill did a great job. Didn't take no time at all.